Okay, viewers, welcome back to Ray's Way. And if you're new, thanks for stopping by. Now, in today's episode of Ray's Way, we're going to make this a real quick do-it-yourself project, something you can do around the house. And all you need is some PVC. And so let me show you what we got here, and we'll take it from there. Okay, viewers, the resident of this house was doing some weed whacking and knocked the ground wire off. Got tangled in the weed whacker, knocked the ground wire off, and here's how we're going to fix it. It's real quick and easy. We just got a piece of PVC. What I'm going to do is put this PVC up in there, hold it up, of course, and then what I'm going to do is I'll connect the ground wire, and then from there I'll drive the PVC in the ground. And so from that point on, if you're weed whacking, if you're going to hit anything, it's going to be the PVC. So quick and easy. You got these things laying around, and instead of throwing them out, you can use them. So let me get this started, and I'll show you at the end point.
5 minutes later.
Alright, viewers, so the hardest part is just putting the wire through the PVC and keeping it up while you're getting it connected. Once it's connected, to the rebar that's driven into the ground and clamped on and so forth, all you do is slide the PVC down and hammer that into the ground. So right now it's pretty firm and sturdy in there, so if I go around or they go around and weed whack, they're going to hit the PVC and I'll get all tangled up in the ground wire and pulling it out. So you can do this for other things around your house, similar to this. So hey, don't throw away those extra pieces of PVC. You can always find a use for them. So thanks again for tuning in to Ray's Way. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. All right, thanks again. We'll see you next time on Ray's Way.